guys, and today we are going to be reviewing and unboxing this TheraPlay box.
It is a subscription box. You can get it every month from TheraPlay, and we're going to go ahead and unbox it and review it.
And if you are not subscribed, go subscribe.
Whoa!
Let's start with these.
So first,
the notes.
Let's go with this first.
So now I have these sniff stickers that you can sniff, and it has a scent to it. And this is, if you have good thoughts, they will shine out of your face like sunbeams, and you will always look lovely. So this is like a card, and so
I'm gonna go ahead and pick a thing out. So let's see. Okay. So if you want to see on the back, right there, that's that, and that's the bottom of it. Let's go ahead and open it.
And while he's opening this, I'm gonna open this thing.
It looks like Oh, okay. So on the back, it says like make different ways. Like, okay, so let me try it. They're all connected somehow, and on the back it tells me to make like different ways. So I'm gonna try making.
Okay, this smells so good.
The Fitbit sign, as you see. There's one. Let's try making a. I'm not sure, and it
smells so good.
Really good, and this would be a definitely help for me, and my anxiety. And I think I would definitely take this everywhere and anywhere if I could. And so I can smell the stickers from over here.
They're so good. So now I got the stickers, and they smell so good. I'm gonna do, there's two of them. So I think they're the same thing. So I'm gonna give one to my brother, Alex. They smell so good. Okay. Can I try these? I'm gonna try these.
I'm gonna go pick another thing out of the box.
I'll pick. Ooh, the banana. Wow. Okay, so this is a banana slug, and then you squirt it out. No, it's a game. What the heck? Got this open, and I think you can put the slug through, and then put the slug through, and then you can pull it. It's so satisfying.
There's like holes over here too.
Yeah. Oh, there is?
Yeah, there's holes everywhere, I think.
Yeah, that's really satisfying. And it's stretchy, so you can get your anger out. It's really good for me, because in school I get really mad, so I can pull on it in my desk. And so this is really cool.
Let's get another thing out of the box. Okay. Ooh, wipe clean pen control. So I think let's go ahead and open it now, and let's see. Okay. So I'm gonna look there. It's this, and then so at the building site. So now I could draw things. Maybe make him have a mustache. Make him have
or you can trace the lines.
And yeah, you could trace the lines too. That's really cool.
And it's erasable, so you can do it over and over again. And there's different pages.
It looks like it's dry erase marker.
And this is so cool. It's so
I think it also wants you to trace it, Samantha, because there's a bunch of designs.
It's so cool. It can, because I love drawing. I could do this.
It's very satisfying. So why don't you go pick another thing out of the box? As you can see, I just draw a firework.
This is the Orbeez. What's this?
Orbeez beads balls.
Yeah, I think it's an Orbeez ball. So let's just open this. Okay. Oh, I think it's sticky, so you can throw it against the wall.
I think here, as soon as I figured out that it's like different. Right here, this is a page for like finish the monster portrait. This is really good. This is right now I'm learning about like symmetry.
This is so satisfying. And to get your anger out, because it's sticky, you can throw it against the wall and like you can squish it. And it sounds really cool. Alright, I'm gonna pick another thing out of the
This looks like this is the last thing.
And the card.
Oh! Alright. So it's suction. Let me see if I have like any like. Yeah, it's a suction. Let me try this plastic. You see, it sucks it. It's a suction. Oh, so it's like, okay. So it's like yoga, like you could do different poses with it.
I think this is really cool and you should really buy it because it's super cool, it's super satisfying, and it gets my anger out. Bye!
And
thanks for watching.
One more thing. For me, I think you should get this subscription box, especially for me, because I'm not more about anger, I'm more of anxiety and like fidgety. And so this is like, especially this one here, just clicking it together, it's really helping me. So thanks for watching, and make sure you go buy this, and please subscribe and like our channel, and see you
next time. Bye!